Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the iCarCover 18-layer premium car cover. Whether you are a car enthusiast looking to protect your prized possession or just someone who wants to keep their car looking great, this cover promises to deliver. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the specifications of this car cover. It features 18 layers of material which provide maximum protection for your car against dust, dirt, and other elements. The cover is made of a durable, waterproof material that is also UV resistant, so it won't fade or degrade over time. It comes in multiple sizes to fit most cars and includes a storage bag for easy transport. The iCarCover 18-layer premium car covers has a number of features that set it apart from other car covers on the market. First, it has reinforced grommets on the corners and sides which make it easy to secure the cover in place using a cable lock or bungee cords. It also has elastic hems around the entire perimeter of the cover, which provides a snug and secure fit. The cover also includes a number of vents and reflective stripes, which improves air circulation and makes it easier to see your car in low light conditions. The cover's soft inner lining protects your car's finish from scratches and other damages, while the outer layer repels water and resistant stains. Overall, the iCarCover 18-layer premium car cover is a high-quality, durable, and well-designed car cover that offers maximum protection for your car. While it may not be the cheapest option out there, it's certainly one of the most effective and long-lasting. So if you are looking for a way to keep your car looking great for years to come, be sure to check out the iCarCover 18-layer premium car cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.